Welcome to Mr. English Couple, where stories make English come alive.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Couple. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jacob. Oh yes, weekends are the best. No early alarms, no traffic, no meetings. Just time to relax and enjoy life.
Exactly. And in this episode, we'll talk about what we usually do on weekends and help you learn some new English words and expressions you can use to talk about your weekends too.
So grab your cup of tea or coffee and let's start our weekend story together.
So, Jacob, what time do you wake up on weekends?
Haha, good question. I usually wake up around 9 a.m. I like to sleep a little longer on Saturdays.
Same here. I don't set an alarm. I wake up naturally, usually around 8:30 or 9.
That's the best feeling, right? Waking up without an alarm?
Oh, yes. And the first thing I do on Saturday morning is make a big breakfast. Pancakes, eggs, and orange juice.
Wow, that sounds delicious. I usually eat something light, maybe toast and tea. Then I like to clean my apartment a little.
Oh, you clean on weekends?
Yes, Saturday morning is my cleaning time. I wash clothes, vacuum the floor, and organize my desk.
That's a good habit. I usually clean on Sunday. Saturday is my lazy morning. After breakfast, I sometimes go for a walk in the park or visit a cafe with a friend. I like quiet mornings.
That sounds relaxing. I usually go to the gym or play basketball with my friends. It helps me stay active after a busy week.
Do you go every weekend?
Not every weekend, but most of them. Sometimes I just stay home and watch movies.
Ooh, yes. Weekend movies are the best. I love watching something light and funny while drinking coffee. What do you usually eat for lunch on weekends?
If I'm at home, I cook something simple, maybe pasta or fried rice. Sometimes I eat out with my family.
I love eating out on weekends too. There's a small restaurant near my house that serves really good noodles.
Nice! I usually go to a cafe after lunch to read a book or plan something creative.
Oh, that's cool. I sometimes go shopping or meet my sister. We just walk around and talk.
How do you spend your Saturday evening, Sarah?
I like to cook something nice, maybe curry or pizza. Then I watch a movie or listen to music.
Sounds perfect. I usually meet my friends. We sometimes go to a restaurant or play board games at home.
That sounds fun. I don't go out often at night. I prefer staying cozy at home with candles and tea.
Ha, you're a real homebody.
I know, but weekends are for comfort, right?
True. Everyone needs time to recharge.
Okay, now let's talk about Sunday. How's your Sunday routine, Jacob?
My Sunday is very quiet. I wake up late, around 10 a.m., then I make breakfast and read the news.
That's calm. I usually go grocery shopping on Sunday morning. I buy vegetables, fruits, and things I need for the week.
Smart. I also do that sometimes. I try to prepare food for Monday, like cooking rice or making lunch boxes.
Oh, like meal prep. That's a good idea.
Exactly. It saves time during the week.
I usually visit my parents on Sunday afternoon. We have lunch together and talk. It's my favorite part of the weekend.
That's nice. I usually go to a coffee shop and plan my week, write to-do lists, check my calendar, and set goals.
That's very productive. I like to keep Sundays peaceful. No stress, no rush.
Yeah, weekends are not just for fun, they're also for mental rest.
Exactly. And sometimes I take a nap on Sunday afternoon. It feels amazing.
Me too. Afternoon naps are the best.
So, how do you end your weekend?
I like to take a shower, drink tea, and watch a short movie. Then I plan my Monday and go to bed early.
I do the same. I prepare my clothes for Monday, clean my desk, and write in my journal before bed.
That's a great habit. It helps you start the week with a clear mind.
Yes, and I always try to sleep before 11 p.m. on Sundays.
Smart move. Otherwise, Monday morning becomes a nightmare.
All right, listeners, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about weekend activities using the simple present tense for habits and routines.
Yes, like I wake up late on weekends. I clean my house. I visit my friends. I watch movies.
We also learned new vocabulary: sleep in, do laundry, clean the house, go shopping, go out with friends, cook dinner, take a nap, relax, recharge.
Try writing your own weekend routine in the comments using these words.
That's all for today's episode, My Weekend Routine.
We hope you enjoyed spending the weekend with us and learned something new in English.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Couple.
And remember, weekends are not just for rest, they're also for reflection and joy.
Beautifully said, Sarah. See you next time, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.